Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play PLS Donate. First, open your browser and go to roblox.com. From here, click on Create. Here, you will get to see your public game. Just click on the three dot of the game you want. If you're here, click on the three lines on the top left. Now, go to Associated Items. From here, go to Passes. Then click on Create a Pass. Now click on Upload an image and then browse your computer and select the image that you want. After you're done choosing, type in a new name. After that, type in a description. Once it's done, click on Create. Now, click on the pass that you just created. From here, click on the three lines on the top left. Now, go to Sales. From here, enable Item for Sale. Now, just set a price for your pass. Note that you will only get 70% of the sales. After you're done setting the price, just click on Save Changes. And it's done. Thank you for watching and please leave a like, share, and subscribe.